Ma'am and sir, I'm Christine Fulgencio, 38 years old. I'm from Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija, here in Philippines. I'm married. I have 2 children, 2 boys. The ages are 18 years old and 11 years old. My height is 155 centimeter and my weight is 165 kilos. I have 1 brother. I am the eldest. I'm second year college, undergraduate, taking up Bachelor of Education. Mom and sir, my father is a vendor. My mother is a vendor. My husband is a construction worker. Mom and sir, this is my first time to work in abroad as a domestic helper, but I have experience here in Philippines. My first employer from 2017 to 2022, 5 years, Pins contract, 6 family member, 1 couple, 3 children, all boys. The ages are 13, 12, and 10. My main duties is taking care of the children, cleaning the house, cooking, washing and ironing the clothes, marketing, and my second employer here in Philippines, from 2022 to 2024, 2 years, means contract, 3 family members, 1 couple, 1 baby, 6 months old. She is a girl. My main duties is taking care of the baby, cooking, cleaning the house, washing and ironing the clothes, marketing, and gardening. Mom and sir, I know how to cook, cleaning the house, marketing, washing and ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, and gardening. I know how to nursery song like the wheel on the bus around and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus around and round, all through the town. Mom and sir, I am kind. I am hardworking, polite, patient of the baby and the children, and follows to the rules and regulations of my employer. I hope you like me, Mom and sir. Thank you. See you soon in Hong Kong.